All right, I'm gonna load up the excavator with the brush cutter on it in anticipation heading out in the morning, doing a little brush cutting. There's a guy down the street that's got a couple ceanothus bushes that need to go away. So we'll shred them up and see how that goes. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is a gate opening I put in years ago, made out of 6-inch tubing or something, big metal tubing. I just put these wood wings on it last week. So I limbed up this tree. I'm gonna haul this stuff to the burn pile. I'm gonna mulch up these two bushes here, because trying to evacuate out of the house or a fire engine driving up to the house, we don't want flames impinging on this road, on a vehicle on this road if there was a fire. So we're gonna make those two bushes go away. We're gonna limb up that juniper, and then there's a few scattered other little bushes right next to the road on the way up the drive that I'm just gonna hit real quick and make those go away. So when you live way out like we do, you know, there's one fire station here that's got 3 guys in one fire engine. The next two fire engines are 40 minutes away. So anything anybody out here can do to make their home more defendable, I really, really encourage it. So like this driveway and all driveways, I try to really encourage people to really groom your entrance. Make it attractive to firemen that are driving by when things are very hectic. They are gonna defend homes that are defendable. So when you can't see your house from your entrance, which happens a lot here on big acreage lots, you gotta set that hook. I call it fishing for firemen. So a fire engine drives by and sees your nice groomed, well manicured entrance with a properly posted reflective address. They're gonna say, hey, that person probably really cares. Let's go check out their home and see if it's defendable. I do the same thing at my house with my entryway. And my house is just my house. There's nothing at my house worth my life or any firefighter's life. I don't want them to be in any danger trying to defend my home. So I make my home really defendable, and I really encourage everybody else to do so. If it's just stuff, I can just buy more, right? So make your home defendable, starting with your entryway all the way up to your house. So that's my rant on home defense stuff for the day. So let's get to shredding. Hey, lock it up, ducks. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna take this water buffalo trailer I bought with me also when I'm out there doing some brush cutting. It is summertime, and I'm only gonna shred, I don't know, 4 bushes, but it's summertime in SoCal, and I don't want to throw a spark or have start a fire. You don't want to be that guy. So I bought this trailer a couple months back. So this is a 500-gallon tank with a little Honda pump on it. It's got a couple discharge. I got this garden hose to put on it just for like mixing concrete and stuff, which I used for the other day to drag around. It was pretty handy. It's got spray bars a spray bar in the back with these 2 sprayers, so you could turn it on and water down a road while you're going. And then I've just got a 100-foot stick of fire hose on it, and I'm just going to take this with me just to have on standby right where I'm working for fire safety. So that's the main reason I bought this trailer, was to have it on job sites for welding or mulching, and also just most of the time it's hooked up to a truck parked really close to my house for structured defense for if a fire came near my house. So it's a pretty good trailer. We'll take this with us too. So this is a really nice entrance, not just because I built it and I think it's awesome. At some point here, we're going to build a custom gate to fit there. This is what's left of where those big old bushes were this morning. I didn't ask him about this little guy right here. I'd take that one out if it was me. I'm going to ask him and see if we can just make that thing go away too. So nice clear driveway all the way. Clear brush, weed whacked, so that if you had to evacuate or a fire engine had to come up here during a flame front, hopefully you can drive on the road without taking direct flame impingement to your vehicle, or the firefighters can drive up in theirs to help save the day. I'm gonna head on home. It's been kind of a long day, but at least it hasn't been hot. I bet the high today was 80, super nice. But it's only fake fall. Just like fake spring, fake fall is here. It'll be 100 degrees in 2 weeks again. So hope you guys have a good one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See ya.